Victoria Cavalieri is still on the scene at Pleasant Hill Elementary, watching as crews clean up the damage. She joins us now live. Victoria, you actually talked to one of those kids, rushed inside at the last minute. Their mom, understandably emotional, talking about what he went through, but so grateful for how things turned out.
She is so grateful for how things turned out because, of course, Lori, none of those students were seriously injured. But I want to kind of paint you a little bit of the picture. So right now we're live here, obviously, at Pleasant Hill Elementary School, where that EF0 tornado touched down yesterday. Now, I got to speak to Shannon Taylor. She's a mom of Skylar, a little boy who attends this school. And he was actually at cross-country practice, as you just heard the SRO talk about yesterday, when that tornado struck. So he told me that he got rushed inside, and during all of this, his mom was out. She was not at the school. She didn't know that there was a tornado touchdown, but then she got a call from a friend alerting her that there was, in fact, a tornado touching down at Pleasant Hill Elementary. And as soon as she heard that, she got in her car. She parked as close as she possibly could to the school, and then she began to run. I asked her what was going through her mind when all of this was happening. Listen to what she had to say.
My legs felt like jello. I couldn't breathe. I felt like I was going to pass out. It was a very scary situation for me that I've never been in. And I pray to God that I'm never in that kind of a situation again. I just held him, and he looked at me, and he said, "Mommy, my glasses didn't break." Just kind of a funny thing for a 9-year-old to say.
Definitely a funny thing for a 9-year-old to say, but she just explained how grateful she was that the situation was not worse, how grateful she is for the staff and the teachers who helped Skylar. But Skylar himself is a little bit of a hero. He told me this afternoon that he actually helped another student who was really scared yesterday. He helped calm him down. And